Good afternoon, guys. Look at this pretty young lady. That's Agta, as you know. Right, before we start this video, I want to thank Mark Koch, Russ McCombs, of course our good friend Bill, Paul Rosario. Thanks, Paul. Big thank you to Paul.
And then Christopher Monk.
Christopher Monk, yeah, always Christopher Monk, because he's been helping us out with our website. Right, I've not got the external mic on today, so you may get a little wind noise, you may not, and the audio might not be that good, because this is just a quick video. I just want to talk again about Joy. Now, if you want to get in touch with Joy, if you go into the...
Love to ask, right? Don't, if there's, you know,
Wait a minute, babe. If you go in the description below, you'll see my email address. If you're interested in Joy, then contact me by email, tell me a bit about yourself and send me a picture. If you're not prepared to send a picture, then she's not interested. Basically, she wants a picture, and a full picture, not just your head.
And then the latest picture also.
And the latest picture, yeah. Now, Busy Bee Company sent me a message along with a lot of others, and I just scratch my head at some of these messages, I really do. The others got deleted, but because his was respectful, I left it on so you can go and have a look at it yourself. He's basically telling me that if I introduce Joy or anybody else to somebody and it goes wrong, that comes back on me. Well, I've never heard anything outrageous like that in my life. I'm doing this for a friend. Hello. I'm doing this for a friend, and I've known Joy for a while. Now, I don't live with Joy. I don't live with Joy, so I don't know what her attitude would be with a boyfriend or whatever. I just don't know. Now, what I do know is Joy's told me she's jealous. She's a jealous person. So I'll always be honest and upfront about everything. Now, she told me that, so I'm telling you that. Now, us Westerners don't really, well, obviously I can't, no, I've talked about myself. I don't like jealousy. Jealousy is insecurity. If you're insecure, watch, baby, he's going to go straight over.
I'm jealous.
No, you're not jealous. She's not a jealous person. She's quite amazing, Mel. I mean, she's that laid back, she's nearly falling over most of the time, except when she gets upset, which isn't, you know, it's nearly always at me, but, you know, this tempo thing. So, you know, I totally rejected his what he was saying, and you can see that if you look back through the comments. So I just wanted to say that. So what we're doing is we're coming because we've got a big bag of candy that we want to hand out to the kids that we had left over. So we've put it all together. Yeah, we've put it all together and we're going to hand it out to the kids because they don't get candy very often. Well, they don't get anything very often. Yeah, yeah. So this is the, what can I call it, shanty town behind where we live, and these are the kids that haven't got nothing, literally. Look at Plessy. Hello. I've got to know them all, well, practically all. And when they see me, they're always saying "Kuya Chris, Kuya Chris," and greeting me, because we've been around here that many times. Because we've got one family here that we give medication to every month, and there's another family that lives next to where a cousin lives, where we give something for medication. Well, we don't give the money, we actually buy the medication.
Ayun na, may baby pa.
Mau. There's nothing left. Give it to the little kids, Mel, not the big ones. The little ones, these, the little, yeah. And the other one there.
Nothing na.
That's it. Tapos na. So when we were doing the feeding videos, most of the kids come from here, but obviously because of the change in the Filipino law, which is mostly it's mostly targeting people like us, the bloggers, because they didn't want, a lot of bloggers were using the channels, which I got accused of, by the way, for trying to make money out of the poor and exploiting the poor. And even though you're not making money out of the videos, say for example what I do, and I'll say to people, look, I know you'd like to help, but you can't help because we don't accept money, we don't ask for money, we don't accept it, we can't, we're not a charity. You can still get into trouble for videoing people that you haven't had permission. Now, before everybody jumps in, we've already had permission many times from when we were doing the feeding videos, and we know all them kids, so that doesn't apply in this case. If I went somewhere else, I couldn't do it, but I wouldn't do that because I know it's, hello, it's gonna create a problem eventually, so we're not doing it. Everywhere that Mel goes with him, everybody's stopping her, aren't they now?
Yeah, and then doing this,
Huh?
doing this.
Yeah. That's something in the Philippines. Now, I kiss my kids to death. I can't hold them without kissing them, right? But Mel's not, I mean, obviously Mel's not like me. She started to kiss, but Mel would just do the cheek thing and grab his cheek. Yeah.
Even my dad.
Yeah. So of course I've spoke to Mel and I said to Mel, is that how you were brought up? Didn't your father kiss you? Didn't your mum kiss you? Yeah, they did.
No.
Well,
I mean, I'm agree for what you're saying.
yeah, they didn't kiss Mel. She's never had a kiss from her mum or her dad, ever. I mean, we coming from the West, I find that crazy. I'm not going to speak for everybody. I find that crazy because I craved love from my mum. I craved kisses from my mum. You know, obviously not my dad. I wasn't bothered about my dad, but I did crave kisses from my mum. And I think that's essential. You know, you can like discipline your kids, but it's got to be balanced with love. You know, you've got to show them that you love them, and that doesn't happen here. But that's not to say the kids aren't loved. Of course they're loved, but just in a different way to what I think is love that we get in the West, because parents kiss you and cuddle you and, you know, make a fuss of you. And again, that's not to say they don't here, they do.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought.
But in a different way, because family's king here, you know it is. And that's why I came here, because what they have here we used to have in the UK in the late 40s, 50s, where, you know, family was it. Your family was close, everybody looked after everybody, you know. But it's not like that in the UK. I don't know what it's like in America and stuff, but you don't have the closeness anymore as what you used to do. And then I come here and we have the support of the whole family. And not only do we have the support of the whole family, but we also have support of the neighbours. Obviously the neighbours are, some of the neighbours are family. No, most of the neighbours are family. But even the neighbours that aren't family come, can we take Matthew for a bit? You know, not so much the baby. Hello. Not so much the baby, but Matthew. Everybody wants to take Matthew. There you go, look. See? Prime example. So her cousin's been for 2 days now and took Matthew, hasn't she? Yeah. Yeah. Matthew, she loves Matthew to death, doesn't she? I thought you said it was just a. Thought you said it was just a computer shop. This here, what the building here now behind the shop here, which I find strange, because the people that's followed me for a while may remember a video where I was going to pull the shop front out, put glass counters in and a security door, so that obviously if we're not here we can close the front up. But when I went to the landlord and told him, he says, oh no, you know, you don't want to be doing that, because I'm gonna actually build some apartments and shops below, and it might be in the next 12 months, it might be in the next 2 years, and obviously nothing's happened because he's renting this out to somebody else. So he wasn't particularly honest with me. So it's welcome to the Philippines, you know. So they're putting a computer shop in there, which by that I mean where people can go, they pay 5 pesos, go on the computer for, what is it, 10 pesos or 5? 10 for an hour. So they go on it for an hour.
Some computer shops 20.
Yeah, depending on what part of Naga you're in. So that's what we need. So there's a computer shop here, there's going to be another computer shop there, there's a computer shop there, and there's 2 computer shops before you get to the end of the road there. There's one, oh no, sorry, there's 3. There's 2 on the left here, and then there's one up further down on the right. So this is what happens, guys, right? I keep getting asked about what business can I start. Computers, pajaks, trikes. If you do anything here, the locals will know as fast as anything if you're making good money at it. They will open shop up next to you, they'll do exactly the same thing, but they'll do it better than you can do it, and they'll work longer hours than you're prepared to work to do it. So I maintain again, this is just my opinion, that the only way you're going to make money in the Philippines is if you can do anything online. If there's something, you've got a business online in America or the UK that you can easily do in the Philippines, or you buy some land and you build some apartments, because apartments, they'll get filled here because everybody's after somewhere to stay, aren't they? Always. So just bear that in mind. You know, if you've got no income here, then you're pretty much stuffed. I mean, we only really manage because of me channel and me Patreon. If it wasn't for that, we wouldn't be doing so good, would we, babe?
Yeah.
So this chicken looks very inviting. Look at that. Now that's just thick chicken there, but these are about 20. What are these, Mel? 20 pesos?
20.
20?
Yeah, all of it.
Oh, it's all 20. And how much is the
10.
chicken skin?
Yeah.
How much?
10.
10 pesos for that?
No, 15.
Do you know, one of these days. So, what time is it now, babe?
5:30.
Yeah, it's about 5:30. It's not going to be long before it's dark.
It's not yet dark, right?
Yeah. So, that's about it, guys. We just wanted to show the smiles on the kids' faces when we give them free candy. We should have got some more, really, shouldn't we?
Yeah. Hello, Bill.
Yeah.
Look, my earrings.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, she loves her earrings, Bill. So it's over to you, Mel.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos.
Yeah, please share our videos, please subscribe, and please whack that like button, or dislike, as long as you've subscribed, it's fine.
Beautiful eyes to them.
Beautiful eyes.
Beautiful eyes.
Oh,
Beautiful eyes. Beautiful
daddy
eyes.
kiss. Oh, kiss. Oh, thank you.
Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes.
Oh, lovely. Beautiful eyes.
Flying kiss.
And don't forget, guys, it's really important you watch the adverts, because that's the only way we get anything at the end of the day. That helps me carry on and do what we're doing. The other thing is, while I think about it, I got a message from YouTube the past couple of months saying that I might see a lot of subscribers disappear because they're getting rid of spam off the channel, and I did see quite a few disappear. I should have been a lot more ahead than what I am now. So can you check you've not been unsubscribed and hit the bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be informed as soon as I've posted a video. Yeah, you'll be guaranteed to know when the video's been posted, so don't forget to click on that bell, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so